What's up guys, it's Rob from Whole Health Connections, and today I want to walk you through the breath of fire. So the breath of fire, as the name entails, is going to be using the breath to fuel the body with fire. So creating that inner fire, creating heat within the body, and really bringing oxygen to all the blood and cells. So essentially what we want to do is we want to start in a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged, on your knees, or in a chair. But we want to have a straight spine so our lungs can fully expand. We're going to have our tongue on the roof of our mouths. We're going to focus on relaxing the neck, so we're not going to be breathing through the neck. We're going to be forcing and pumping everything through the belly. So not the chest, not the neck. So it looks something like this. So you can have your tongue on the roof of the mouth. Try to relax the face. You can go at different speeds, so you can do deeper. Faster. But again, the important thing is to make sure that we're not pumping through the neck, because that's a common thing that I find myself doing, and a lot of my clients and friends doing as well. Is we're using our necks, we're clenching, we're so used to clenching our face, our necks, our chest, breathing shallowly through the chest, and we don't actually fully expand the belly. So the invitation to you as you're trying the breath of fire is to focus on relaxing the face, relaxing the neck, chest, and just focusing on all through the belly, all through the nose. So we'll do a little bit here. So this is a great breath to use before cold exposure, or simply to wake your body up in the morning, get that energy flowing, get the blood flowing, the oxygen to all the cells. So you can try this next time you do an ice shower, an ice bath, or go outside if you're back home in the winter. Thanks for watching.